Hello everyone, Sanok and welcome to my channel. So that video of Mihlali Ndamase and her alleged married Zimbabwean boyfriend by the name of Nigel Sakala has been trending on social media. She's also linked to another married man, Clem Kile, who is allegedly a Nigerian Yahoo scammer. But in this video, we'll be focusing on that man in the video, Nigel Sakala, because receipts of his crooked ways were shared on X. So according to Sanele Nkosi on X, Nigel Sakala allegedly has over 10 fraud cases in South Africa, which has been bribing his way out of. Sanele also shared receipts. The records indicate that Nigel was found guilty of fraud in May 2023. However, like many fraudsters, Nigel has been showing off a luxurious lifestyle on Instagram, living large and clearly nowhere near behind bars. He allegedly owns over 5 fast cars and properties. What type of fraud is Nigel allegedly involved in, you ask? According to Sanele on X, Nigel claims to have or rent out trucks through SBNT Logistics, which focuses on renting out trucks. People pay and he doesn't deliver. Basically, he runs away with the money. One person responded in the comment section claiming to have been scammed by Nigel. The person said, "Nigel Sakala, he blocked me 5 years ago, the scammer. Now driving G-Wagons while he owes me is total disrespect." Sanele responded by saying, "I've had other people DM me regarding being scammed by him as well. You are not the only one." Sanele then shared a DM from another alleged victim saying, "Hi, where can I get this Nigel Sakala? He scammed me 700,000 rands 3 years ago and I've been looking for him since." Yo, that was a lot. So Vele, there are no other guys Mihlali Ndamase could pick besides this alleged fraudsters. Like nix. Someone said she loves them married and dangerous. Like, doesn't she care about her image or brand? Nix. Aye.